Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to set up direct deposit with Simplii Financial. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to set up direct deposit with your Simplii Financial, simply log in into your Simplii account. So to set up your direct deposit, you need bank transit number. Same for all Simplii customers, that is 30800, your institution number, and your account number. To download your direct deposit form, simply tap on your web or your app about how to get your direct deposit info or void check. So this form includes everything that is needed. After you have done this, submit it to your employer or your government, and after the confirming of your deposit will be simply set up in Simplii Financials. So this is how you can do it. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for our next informative video like this.